How to change Facebook page name. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then simply scroll down till you find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down till you find Page Setup. Click on Page Setup, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Name. In here, simply change your name. You can only change name after 60 days, as you can see. After you've changed name, simply click on Review Change at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to change Facebook page name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.